At the end of the 19th century, Japan was undergoing a period of profound transformation. After centuries of isolation under the feudal rule of the shoguns, the country began the Meiji Restoration, 1868, a process of rapid modernization and westernization. The goal was to strengthen Japan so that it would not be dominated by foreign powers. But this change came at a cost. The samurai tradition, the warrior class that had upheld Japanese honor and culture for centuries, was threatened. The samurai was not just a soldier, he was the guardian of the Bushido code, which valued loyalty, honor, and sacrifice. With the new modern army armed with rifles and cannons, the need for the samurai as a fighter drastically diminished. Many were forced to abandon their weapons or adapt to the new rules of society. But not everyone accepted this change. In 1877, the Satsuma Rebellion occurred, led by the legendary samurai Saigō Takamori, considered the last true samurai. He and his followers rose against the Meiji government, defending the preservation of samurai honor and respect for tradition. Despite being vastly outnumbered, the samurai displayed courage and skill in battle, fighting with swords against modern rifles. The final battle of the rebellion took place in Kagoshima. The samurai were defeated, and Saigō Takamori ultimately committed seppuku, the ritual suicide, following the code of honor of his class. His death symbolized the end of an era. Despite the military defeat, the influence of the samurai did not disappear. Their ideas and values were incorporated into Japan's new identity. Discipline, honor, loyalty, and courage continued to inspire generations. To this day, Saigō Takamori is remembered as the last samurai, a hero who represented resistance in the face of inevitable change, maintaining the integrity of his beliefs to the very end.
Thank you for watching until the end of this epic story about the last samurai. Now, I want to hear from you. What did you think of this journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which other stories you'd like to see in the next video. Your feedback is really important to keep bringing amazing content. See you next time, and keep the spirit of honor alive.